Hello viewers, this Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Carpuride W701 Plus wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto device. Now this device comes pre-installed with an Android operating system. Besides the wireless Android Auto Apple CarPlay function, with the Google Play Store you can install additional apps like YouTube, Netflix, and even games. In this video, I'll show you all the features on this unit, so let's get started. Let me show you the unboxing of this Carpuride W701 Plus device. This is a portable Android Auto Apple CarPlay unit with a 7-inch HD display. Right here is the W701 Plus unit. This is a dash mount with a double-sided tape, 3.5mm audio cable. There's a windshield mount. There's a base plate for the windshield mount. Cigarette lighter power cable. And a user manual. Let's have a closer look at this W701 Plus unit. On the front is a 7-inch color LCD touchscreen. Looking at the top, right here is the power button. Next to it is a reset switch. And over here is a microphone. On the back, right here is a speaker, and in the middle, this is where you install the mounts. Look on this side. Right here is a 12-volt DC power input port. Next to it is a USB-A connector. You can plug a memory stick in here and play your audio. Next to it is the AV out. This is where you plug your 3.5mm audio cable. So if your car has a 3.5mm auxiliary audio input, you can use this connector. Next to it is a cam in. Cam in is for connecting the optional backup camera. Over here is a microSD memory card slot. You can also use this to play your media. On the far right, there's an optional microphone jack. So if you want to use an optional microphone for your phone calls, you can plug that microphone into this connector. To install this unit into your car, they've included two different mounts. Right here is a dash mount. And with this dash mount, what you want to do is slide this side onto the back of this unit. Now you can adjust the angle. The other option is to use this windshield mount. Over here you have the suction cup. You can release this latch, push this against the window, and lock it in place. You can also adjust the angle and telescope this. To power this unit, you need to connect this power cable to the 12-volt DC input port on the back here. Now, unlike other Carpuride devices I reviewed before, this one actually has an Android operating system. It's running Android version 13, so it does come pre-installed with Google Play Store. This means you can actually install any apps you want, like Netflix and YouTube, or even games. Right here, you're looking at the home page. In the middle, you have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now for this setup, I'll be pairing my Android phone with this device. So here I'm going to select Android Auto. Over here on my phone, in the Bluetooth setting, I have the device Carpuride 6687. Select that. You need to enter the pin. The pin is 0000. And now my phone is paired to this Carpuride device. Right here, you're looking at Waze navigation. On the right side is my Spotify audio. You have the usual Android Auto function. Here are all the Android Auto supported apps. You can use the phone function to make a phone call.
You have no messages in your mailbox. Main menu. To send a message.
You can select Exit to go back to the home page. To get back into Android Auto, select Android Auto. Here I can play Spotify music. You also have Google Assistant by pressing a mic right here. What is the temperature in New York right now?
In New York, it's currently 56 degrees.
At the top, you have this white button. If you select that, there's a shortcut menu for volume, brightness, home, and back. Now this unit has many ways of outputting audio. If you select audio transmission right here, native audio will output the audio using the internal speaker. Auxiliary audio. With this, you need to connect the 3.5mm audio cable from this device to your car. FM audio. This uses the built-in FM transmitter to transmit the audio to a FM radio station on your car's radio. Now keep in mind, using the FM transmitter does introduce a lot of noise. You also have Bluetooth transmit. If you enable this, you can transmit the audio from this device to your car radio using the Bluetooth connection. The last one, Bluetooth projection. This will transmit the audio from your phone to this device. Now right here, you'll see there's a media player. This media player is for playing back the media from your micro SD memory card or a flash drive that's plugged into the USB-A port. Right here is settings. First one is wireless data. Wi-Fi is enabled and Bluetooth is enabled. You also select screen control. Here you can manually adjust the brightness, or you can set for day, night, or auto. Other, you can adjust the FM transmitter volume, the main volume, and you can also flip the rear camera image. To install the device, you can either use the windshield mount or the dash mount that's included with this unit. For this install, I'll be using a dash mount that you see right here. What you need to do is install this double-sided tape onto the bottom of this mount, and then remove this backing, and then you stick this onto your dash. Center this unit, and then you stick this onto your dash. Press and hold this down for about a minute. Now plug in the power cable. Plug the power adapter into your 12-volt accessory port. I'll turn on the ignition, and the unit will power on. Now the Android Auto will not start up automatically. To open up Android Auto, select the Android Auto button right here. Right here is Waze. On the right side is my Spotify. Press the menu button to go back home. Here's a list of all these supported apps. If you select Exit, it'll go back to the Carpuride homepage. If you turn on the Wi-Fi tethering on your phone, you can set this device to connect to your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. Go into your network settings and connect to your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. With the internet connectivity, you can watch YouTube.
Today we're looking at even more boss car repairs. We got...
Here's Netflix. Using the microphone on the navigation software, you can search for an address or location. Home Depot in Flowery Branch.
Turn right on Ridge Road.
Overall, this Carpuride W701 Plus portable wireless car stereo works pretty good. If you're looking for something that will allow you to install additional apps like YouTube and Netflix and be able to watch some of the videos in your vehicle, you should definitely take a look at this device. Now, at the time of this review, this retails for $240. I do have a coupon code you can use, so check out the link below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.